I'm THELMA HEIDEL, the scientist in residence at the Cedarburg School District and Riveredge Nature Center, coming at you today from my backyard. I am going to be going out with my family and doing something that we do every spring, which is a roadside cleanup, a trash cleanup. For my family's cleanup, we like to have a couple things along with us to give purpose to the activity. One of the things I like to have is a check sheet, either a tally sheet to keep track of the kind of items that you find out on the road. It's a kind of a nice way to categorize and quantify exactly what it is you're doing, what it is you're finding, and what kind of things people throw away. So there are more complex ones for older kids, tally sheets that can get really detailed. There are also scavenger hunts that you can do for younger kids, and that's what I'll be doing with my kids. A scavenger hunt to find, can you find a bottle? Can you find a can? What's the most unique thing you find? What's the weirdest thing you find? So just to give a little bit more purpose to the activity of the cleanup itself. Alright, we just got done with our cleanup and came back, kind of assessing what it is that we all found. And my kids and I did this cleanup scavenger hunt sheet, so we were checking off what we were finding as we were going. Some of the things that we found on here are a soda can, a water bottle, found lots of paper, fast food bags, a cigarette butt, and we did find something bigger than your hand, which was a big piece of cardboard in this case. And the strangest piece of trash that we found was an exhaust pipe, a really heavy piece of metal. So we collected that all, put that into this bag. We also had the recycling that we put into another bag, so that will go into the recycling bin and get reused. You and your family can do the same thing, a spring cleanup for Earth Day, or any day actually. Get out there, clean up your neighborhood, clean up the roads, clean up a park. Do it together as a family unit. See what you can find. Make it into a learning opportunity. It doesn't just have to be the cleanup if you don't want to do that. Keep track of what you find and have a great time when you do it. Today it's cold out. It didn't stop us. The motivation was there, so we went out to do it even though it was cold and snowy and not the best conditions. Have a great day.